If you're looking at, or if you would want to profile antibodies, for example, as some diagnostic companies, as the partner here actually wants to look at, if you're interested in that, and for example, developing assays, diagnostic assays that have to work in the end in body fluids, in crude matrices, you might be interested in getting really the kinetics in that matrix of interest. And here, very simply, antibody 1 on the top row actually seems to bind in both buffer and also 90% serum, whereas antibody 2 seems to have completely abolished binding on when measured in serum here. And you get not only the yes/no answer here from such an assay, but you got already full kinetic characterization of your antibody lead candidate in serum, and are able to characterize it and directly compare it also to buffer to get, yeah, and that this gets you much more information about the biophysical properties of your lead candidates.